Here we go, y'all. It's all mixed up now. We got the jalapenos, the rice, the black beans, the salsa, you name it. Oh my gosh, that looks so freaking good. Oh, look at that. What is up, my Back to Life family? Today I'm in my kitchen and I'm bringing back Chef Nico. I used to always pride myself on cooking, but let's grab the camera. I have not been home from traveling for like a year and a half straight, literally. All right, so I'm in my kitchen and what we're gonna make today is like a homemade Chipotle. If you don't know what Chipotle is, it's like you got the rice, you got the vegetables, and I don't eat meat. I only eat seafood, but honestly, I don't even eat seafood that much. I haven't ate meat in almost 2 years now. So it's gonna be rice, black beans, green bell peppers, jalapenos, salsa. It's gonna be good stuff, all right? It's like, just Google it, all right? Everybody has Google. Look up Chipotle. It's spelled C-H-I-P-O-T-L-E, I think. It's like Moe's. It's like any place that just serves like rice and vegetables and all that stuff. It's gonna be freaking amazing. But I'm gonna grab the stuff off the fridge, out the pantry, which is right there behind me. By the way, this is my kitchen, okay? So this is my kitchen. I got my YouTube plaque there and a little Back to Life sign, as you can see. Bam, yep, there it is. And we're gonna get started. Not much else going on in here. Not a huge party, but if you wanna see what's in my refrigerator, not much. We're gonna literally cook what we got, and from there, we're gonna have a great day. So, let me get this stuff and we're gonna get started. Five-pound bag of white long grain rice. So this is we're gonna make a lot of this, all right? We gotta have a lot for the week. I meal prep so that I don't have to cook every day. So that's what I'm about to do. I gotta put some water in a pot, get all that stuff going, get the rice boiling, start cutting up the vegetables, and this is gonna be a great meal. I can't wait. Oh, I gotta get the black beans. Boom, boom. There we go. There we go. It's like we're making sandcastles and stuff, all right? But here we go, we're gonna get started. This is gonna be good stuff. I can't wait to try the final product and get going with y'all, so let's do this. I'm gonna make about 3 cups of rice, 3.5. So this is how I do it. I just take a cup, fill it up with water, and it works for me. Add a little bit of half, and we're ready. Now that I've got my rice in my pot, or whatever you call this, what I do is I turn it on high and I cover it up, let it start boiling, and then once it starts boiling, I turn it down to like 4 or 5 and just let it simmer, and then the rice just absorbs all the water and it turns into really good rice, and then I have a whole pot of rice for like the next 3 days. So I have dinner for the next 3 days essentially. But I'm gonna wash my bell peppers and we're going to get them chopped up and then thrown on that pan, and we're gonna saute them. They're gonna be, and we're gonna actually put this seasoning right here, which is called all-purpose Montana special spice. My sister lives in Montana, and it's freaking amazing, and it literally goes on everything, so especially vegetables. I use it always on my like eggs and stuff for breakfast. Makes them taste awesome, and it's super healthy. No sodium, no nothing. So whoever makes this stuff, you guys get a high five. But anyways, let's chop up these bell peppers and let's get going. All right, what you saw me doing there is cutting out the center because it has all those seeds on it. And for me, I've always just taken a knife and just cut around in a circle. And it seems to cut everything perfectly on the inside of a bell pepper. Go inside of it, boom. Get some of those seeds out, knock them out, whatever you gotta do. That's good stuff. Listen to that. We got the rice boiling. Turn it down on low. Yo, we are headed in the right direction. We got the bell peppers steaming right there. Then we're gonna fry them up a little bit. We got the rice in there cooking up. And we got this heating up for the beans because that's what these are. And Bush's best seasoned black beans. You just dump them right up in there. Yes. Just like that. We're gonna do 3 cans. There's 1, 2. Yes, sir. Come on. We're gonna do 3. I told y'all I meal prep. So that's what we're doing here. But I'm gonna drop that last one in there. You know what? Let me give y'all a little. Ooh. You see that? Hold on. That's a little hot. Here, let me do this for y'all. Shake it up a little bit just so y'all can see what I'm working with. Ooh. You see that? Yes, sir. That's good looking stuff. It smells good. I know it's gonna taste good. Nice and soft. The rice, the beans, everything's coming together. And of course, we got the jalapenos, the salsa. This is gonna be good stuff, y'all. All right, y'all. We got the bell peppers. Just to give y'all a better view of this. Oh, look at that. That's just beautiful. We still got the black beans in here cooking, the white rice cooking up, but we're gonna get this in this plate. Ooh, come on. All right, y'all, we got the black beans finished off. Turn that off. Go right here with it. Gotta be careful, it's hot. Ooh, be careful, baby. Whole bowl of beans. Who's hungry? Then we got the rice. That's a little too heavy and I can't really do it with 2 hands. So the next time you'll see this, it'll be right there. How about this visual right here? This is Chipotle made at home. Freshly made. Organic. I'm just kidding. I don't know. I don't even know what organic means. We got the bell peppers. We got the black beans. We got the white rice. And we got my big fork. I'm really hungry. Here we go, y'all. It's all mixed up now. We got the jalapenos, the rice, the black beans, the salsa, you name it. Oh my gosh, that looks so freaking good. Oh, look at that. You see the steam coming off. I like to mix all my food up. But just look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness. Come on, let's eat. All right, y'all, here we go. We got the homemade Chipotle. Chef Nico's back in action. I told you I'm back home now. If you've been watching any of my past videos, you saw that I was traveling the world, and then the world happened. And now I'm back home working and living my best life. And I gotta get back right in the kitchen. I can't be going out to eat all the time. So I decided that it's time to start cooking. I used to cook all the time. So yeah, y'all already saw it like 3 or 4 times. This is my Chipotle. And it's time to just dig in. I wish I could share this with y'all though. Cause goodness gracious. Come on. Yo, look at this. That actually tastes super freaking good. Oh my gosh. You know, sometimes when you cook and you actually surprise yourself, the person who cooked it. Now that's, this is darn good. The jalapenos give it the right amount of spice. The salsa, come on. Oh. This is so freaking amazing, yo. And the black beans, I need my protein. My protein, my fiber. Wow. Hey, wherever you are in the world, make you some of this. Alright? Join the freaking Back to Life family. Grab you some merch. Enjoy what we're doing. And let's just be happy. We keep smiling, stay positive through everything going on. And just keep moving. Wow. That is freaking amazing. I hope y'all can taste it. Alright, y'all. I think that's enough. Let me grab that camera real quick. Oh my gosh, the food is so freaking good. That felt good, getting back in my kitchen, getting back to Chef Nico. That is an amazing feeling, I'll be completely honest with you. I don't know why, but when I'm cooking, when I'm in the kitchen, it's like a time for relaxation. Your mind just kind of drifts away. I don't know, it's kind of like when I go work out. Life feels amazing in that moment, and not that life doesn't feel amazing all the time, but you know what I mean. It's like a getaway. And being in my own kitchen, cooking up food like that we have back there waiting on me to finish, like it just, you know you made it, you know it tastes good, and you're like, high five to me. You know, I can't high five myself because I'm holding one, so we're gonna high five all the viewers. But anyways, had a lot of fun doing that. Chef Nico's back. I'm glad I can share my life with y'all here back in Chattanooga, Tennessee, where I'm from. If you haven't yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're new to the Back to Life family, check me out. You know, go watch some of my travel videos and things like that. But this is going to be the type of stuff that I'm vlogging now, more lifestyle, just because I can't travel and I'm going to be working here in Chattanooga. So anyways, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram at NicoTJR and on TikTok. And make sure you check out shopbacktolife.com. Grab you some Back to Life merch, support the movement, and let's just continue spreading happiness and smiles to everybody all around the world. Without further ado, my Back to Life family, I'll see you on my next vlog. Peace!